I wish you could jump to any sheet in your workbook from one single cell. No scrolling, no searching, no table of contents. Just pick and teleport. Today, I will show you how to build the portal method. First, we need a clean list of sheet names. You could type them in manually. I've built a fully dynamic version of this in our 5 levels of Excel tab navigation video. So if you want your dropdown to stay in sync when you add or delete tabs, check that out right here. But for today, as long as you have a reliable list of names, the portal is ready to launch. Choose where you want the portal to live. I will build mine on the summary sheet. I will give it some breathing room at the top. Go to Data, Data Validation, List. For the source, point it to your sheet list. This becomes your navigation selector. Right now it selects sheets, but doesn't navigate yet on itself. The magic happens in the next step. Right next to it, we will build a hyperlink. The hash symbol tells Excel we are linking inside this workbook. B1 holds the selected sheet name. This tells Excel where to land. I use A1 so it always lands at the top. Together, they create the link location. Go is then the friendly name, what users will see. And here is a small bonus. Even inside the formula bar, press Window plus dot. That opens the emoji panel. I will add a little red arrow symbol to give it direction. Now, when I choose a sheet, click Go, we teleport instantly. Everything works already. Now we turn it into a proper control panel. In A1, tap Jump to Sheet. Add a compass icon at front. It reinforces navigation and naturally gets users to the drop-down beside it. Let's elevate the design. Increase the font size, say around 20. Use Aptos display for a modern look. Color the top row dark blue to anchor the panel. White for a nice contrast. Light gray for the drop-down so it feels selectable. Then, for the Go cell, let's give it a button look. Ctrl+1 to open format cells. I will add a gradient fill, bright blue tones, diagonal down. Then, go to Insert, Shapes, Frame. Draw it over the cell, add a subtle preset effect for depths. Now turn off grid lines. This already feels like an app. Minimum, elegant, powerful. And one practical touch, freeze the top row. Now the portal stays visible, no matter how large the dataset gets. Right now, this portal only lives on one sheet. We want it in all sheets. So no matter where we are, navigation is only one click away. Copy the top 2 rows, click the first sheet, hold Shift, click the last sheet to group them. Before we paste the portal, make sure column A has the same width across all sheets, so the layout stays consistent. Right-click row 1 and insert copied cells. And to keep a clean interface across, turn off grid lines here again. Now every sheet has a built-in navigation portal. Notice the tabs are white? That means they are still grouped. Always ungroup immediately after. Just click any sheet outside the group. Otherwise, one small change affects every sheet at once. And lastly, hide the original sheet list. The engine stays hidden, the portal stays visible. Scrolling through tabs is level 0. A table of contents is smart. But this is clean control, the portal method. If you want the full navigation framework from basic to advanced, watch the 5 levels of Excel tab navigation. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Kiki. I will see you in the next one.